Dude, are you crying? No, I'm not crying. There's a tear in your eye. That's because I was just... Come check this out. Jack's crying. What? That's hilarious. I'd be embarrassed as shit. I'm not crying. We all cry, bro. No need to get embarrassed. I'm not crying. Dude, it's fine. We all cry sometimes. You need to embrace it, dude. We all cry, bro. It's fine. Dude, I'm not crying. Dude, no need to get so emotional. If things keep heating up like that, I'm gonna cry too. I don't want to be crying. I was just yawning. Now leave me alone. Really? Yes. Really? Yes. Really? You're right. Life's tough. My dog just died. My girlfriend left me for my aunt. And most of all... Hey, everybody, come look. He's fucking crying. That's so embarrassing.